Hi everybody, my new notebooks just arrived and I wanted to unbox them with you guys so we can all see it at once. These notebooks are especially made for note-takings. Because of their smaller squares, they are really good for making your handwriting better. I will show you. Oh, that's so heavy. And there is a really beautiful note for me here. In Persian, it means made with love. I'm sorry to watch it. And here is, let's see the first one. Oh, it's so cute and the quality is so nice too. Can you see that bright pages? And the cover. I fell in love with that cover. Let's see another one. Oh, this one is even more beautiful than the other one. I wanted to have notebooks in several colors. And this time I ordered them to be open from this part. Now my notebook is open from the outside, but these ones are different. And the last one, it is going to be big. It is an A4 one. Look at it. So minimal and beautiful. I'm going to use it for serious note-takings. After my English IELTS exam, I want to study another language, maybe German, and that would be perfect for that. Oh, another note here with a beautiful cow. I love them. In your opinion, which one is more beautiful? I can't decide myself. Love you guys so much.